Hello, my name is Ronald Joncas. I am the CEO of TransEd. I would like to provide an update on the cracks found on some of the piers on the Valley Line Southeast LRT. I will share details from our root cause analysis and the works we are doing to repair the piers. First and foremost, I want to repeat what I have said in all my previous updates. It is safe to walk and drive beneath the elevated tracks. It remains safe and will continue to be safe as we repair the piers. TransEd and our engineer have been assessing each and every one of the 45 elevated track piers, which include the elevated guideway piers and the Dawadinau Bridge piers. Each piers is affected by forces in different ways, and our engineer assessment has determined how many piers needs to be repaired. Based on their current assessment, 30 elevated guideway piers need to be repaired. This is to accommodate the structural forces that the piers are subject to. To be clear, no repair are required on the Dawadinau Bridge piers. Our initial investigation in August confirmed the affected piers experience horizontal forces caused by the thermal expansion of the elevated track this summer. However, after a detailed, thorough analysis, we have confirmed that those thermal expansion forces from the concrete and the steel LRT tracks were not greater than anticipated in our design. Instead, the analysis confirmed the design of the internal steel reinforcement with the piers was inadequate, resulting in cracks in the piers. In past update, I mentioned 21 piers need repair. Currently, 30 piers will require repairs based on the latest result of the root cause analysis. The additional 9 piers need minor repair. I will now talk about the steps we will take to repair the piers. Each pier is slightly different. For example, because of some piers are taller than others, they are subject to different forces. As such, the repair varies from location to location, but to summarize, 3 repair methods will be used to repair the piers. For some piers, repair work will involve minor amounts of rebar being drilled and anchored into the existing concrete. Rebar is the steel reinforcement used inside the piers. Other piers will be repaired by adding new concrete diaphragm, basically a concrete partial infill in the V of the piers between the 2 arms. This diaphragm will provide a further structural support. In some piers, an external support will be placed where the pier's arm meets the pier's leg. Think of it as a support belt around the midsection of the piers. The external support will be made up of steel beam on both sides of the piers, connected by steel rod that further brace the pier. We are still having discussion with our city partner and our engineer about how to keep the repairs as close as possible to the original look of the piers. In a future update, I will share more details about what the piers will look like. While those discussions continue, we are able to begin the repair work. Now, I will explain what work has already begun. We have continued to install scaffolding. This access is necessary so crew can safely and efficiently prepare the pier concrete for repair. Our crew have begun preparing the concrete surface where the new diaphragms will be installed. We have also completed our ground preparation for the temporary support that will be installed. We have begun to receive the material for the support, and we will begin the installation soon. Finally, I acknowledge how disappointed everyone is with the project delay. And I want to assure you we are doing everything we can to repair the pier safely and as quickly as possible. In future updates, I expect to provide additional detail on next step in the repair process and repair timelines. I also want to remind everyone we are continuing to test train on street level tracks in Millwoods and all the way to downtown. So, if you see a track, expect a train. Thank you.